Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you about some of the most incredible hidden superpowers animals possess. These abilities are so amazing, we can truly call these creatures the real heroes of nature. Let's get started. Octopuses have an amazing ability to camouflage themselves. With special cells in their skin that change color and texture, they can perfectly blend into their surroundings. Chameleons can move their eyes independently, giving them a full 360-degree view to spot predators and prey. The spiny devilfish uses color and shape changes to hide from predators. Scientifically, these abilities come from pigment cells called chromatophores that animals control. Migratory birds travel thousands of kilometers using Earth's magnetic field as a guide. Sea turtles return to the exact beach where they were born by sensing the magnetic field. This ability is called magnetoreception, involving special receptors in their brains. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of up to 110 kilometers per hour. The African elephant weighs up to 6 tons but is incredibly strong and can knock down large trees. Ants can carry up to 50 times their own body weight. Dolphins and whales have complex social structures and can communicate and solve problems. Octopuses show high intelligence by solving mazes and puzzles. Crows are known for using tools and completing difficult tasks. Bats use sonar to navigate in complete darkness. Snakes have special sensors to detect body heat. Elephants can hear low-frequency sounds from miles away. Which animal superpower impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll explore some of the most mysterious animals in nature.